Hello, this is MCB magnetic test setup for 0.5 ampere to 63 ampere B, C and D curve. This is the fixture. This is a totally automated bench. This is the fixture. This is a short control panel. Now we'll go to the software. So we have various options in the software. Okay, logout, test, reports. Let's start from reports. So this is how the reports are generated. So we can have the reports viewed here in this lab view format, and we can filter from to date, the cat number wise, operator wise, rating wise, product results wise, etc. The reports are exportable in Excel as well as HTML mode. Then this is how you set the recipes. So you can set, add, view, edit, duplicate recipes. So when you add a recipe, just say when you have to add the recipe, you have to simply put in all the parameters once, and then that recipe gets set forever. Then this is the user management screen. So you can have various hierarchies such as admin, then the supervisor and operator level, and each of them will have different rights and each of them will have their own passwords. Then you have the calibration mode, wherein you can calibrate a few parameters, and then the software would assist you to put in the multiplier and offset errors, so that as per your standard reference instruments, you have to set the multiplier and offsets. So this is very important parameter, important feature as far as the calibration of the test bench goes. Then you have the maintenance mode. All the digital and analog IOs can be checked in maintenance mode. If you suspect the panel is not behaving as per your requirement, you can always check them in maintenance mode. So it is very easy to do the maintenance and diagnostics through the software. Then we have the thyristor settings. You can adjust the phase shift and the on time. So if you want the MCB to be subjected to a current that is not starting at 0 degrees, you can put in any angle. So the thyristor will fire at exactly at that angle. Then you have these scanner and barcode settings. This is the scanner and barcode settings. Then you have the tolerance limits, various tolerance limits you can have, you can view them. And then you have this small interlock that whenever a new operator comes up, you can have the interlock. When a new operator sets his password, you have to force him or her to use the teach mode before using test bench for production, so that there are no errors in testing. So this completely eliminates the human error part. Now let's go to the test mode. So testing is extremely easy. So whatever the batch of the MCB is, you have to simply drop it down from a panel, and then yes, this is the B curve 32 ampere 3-pole with neutral. So all the parameters get uploaded instantly and you can just start testing. So let me start now. So it goes in, all the mechanical automation part is taken care by the software. Then it comes out. This is the screen. I'll just now test the MCB again and focus on the screen so that the viewer can know how the software screen behaves. It's extremely easy. So I can start with this green button also. So once everything is set on the PC, the user can, well, the operator does not have to touch the PC at all. So test on. So it goes in. This is the hold and this is the trip. So the MCB comes out, and it is a matter of 5 to 6 seconds, maybe 7 seconds before the entire MCB or a group of 4 single pole MCBs or a pair of 2-pole MCBs get tested. So this is all as far as the video is concerned. We also have the barcode scanner here, so we can have the barcode scanned, and then each MCB result is stored against the barcode. Thank you very much.